Okay, hi friends, welcome to Eduvitra YouTube channel. So, అందరికీ నమస్కారం. Adabs, welcome to Eduvitra YouTube channel. So, today I will discuss with you the topic nutrition, food supply system. So, I also prepared yesterday, but I booked one mic that's not came. That's why I am doing this now. When my mic came, I will do in the board. Okay. So today the nutrition topic. So please subscribe to my another channel, Sriram Classes. Search in the thing that you get Sriram Classes. Please subscribe to my channel. So let's come to the topic. So today the topic is about nutrition. See on the screen about nutrition means we are breathing, running, walking, jogging. These are we are doing in our daily activities. But by these we are doing means we want some energy. This energy will be come from food we are eating. Okay, nutrition means what? The intake of nutrients into our body is called the nutrition. Okay, see here the two types of nutrition is there: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. See on the screen. Yes, autotrophic means which can prepare their own food is called autotrophic nutrition. Example, plants. Heterotrophic means which can not prepare their own food and they depend on others. That is called heterotrophic nutrition. So nutrition in plants, nutrition in human beings. These are the very important topics in the topic of nutrition. Okay, coming to the nutrition in plants. See on the screen, the picture is belongs to the process of photosynthesis. Means it is a process in which the green pigment contain chlorophyll to produce food by using cloth, by using sunlight, water and carbon dioxide. Okay, next 6CO2 plus 12H2O is equal to 6C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. This is the equation that by CBU and name established. Okay, here in this photosynthesis we have two reactions. First, light reaction, dark reaction. Okay, in light reaction we will see that when the light is present there is this light reaction is going on. When the light is not there, light is options, this will be go. Means O2 glucose, light reaction O2, dark reaction glucose. These two are the end products of both. Okay, this is the plants nutrition. Coming to human beings nutrition, we have four steps. That first, ingestion means taking food into our body. Second one, digestion means break down the substance into small complex materials, okay, by using some digestive enzymes. Absorption means the digested food that are absorbed into circulatory system. This circulatory system will share the energy to other system like skeletal system, muscular system. By combining using of the skeletal system, musculatory system and circulatory system, we have performed the activities like walking, drinking, doing work, etc. And at last, excretion. Okay, excretion means what? Taking down the waste materials into our body. Means waste materials throughout our body through anus is called excretion. Next, at last, malnutrition means deficiency of nutrition is called malnutrition. Next, we have different types of malnutrition diseases. Kwashiorkor, it is happen due to deficiency of protein. Marasmus, it is caused due to deficiency of protein and calorie. At last, that is obesity, that causes due to excess eating of energy or excess eating of heat energy. That is called obesity. So we have these all in our YouTube channel. These all are the main important topics in our lesson nutrition. So thanks for watching. So please subscribe to my channel.